Good afternoon, guys, or good morning, good evening, wherever where you are in the world. So, this is the first video I'm making for my third E36, but this is the first time I'm recording a video to put it on YouTube because really I'm facing a problem, cannot find a solution for it. So hopefully I'm getting in a comment something will help me uh, to see a solution for my problem. Uh, it's a 1991 316 which was swapped into 320 before I buy it. I buy this car with faulty engine, or let's call it very tired engine. So I didn't make so much stress to myself. I just take it off, throw it, get another engine, which is hopefully it's a healthy one. Uh, After I, let's call it, shave the engine bay, which is really looks nice to me. I mean, I cancel the windshield liquid or water, or what do you call it. I cancel the intake. I'm gonna get the KN intake, and also I make the harness which is come from here to supply the headlights and everything in this area. I put it inside with a nice touch here, so it goes through the fender and it comes under this one to complete the job here, which is really nice idea. The problem that I'm facing, actually, I'm not getting any spark whatsoever. I don't know why, actually. No spark and no fuel in the car. So after searching and based on my humble experience, I think it's the crank sensor which lives here. So this guy cost here in Jordan is about 150 bucks, or in Jordanian currencies cost like 100 GD. It's not a lot of money, but it's annoying that the car was working, everything is fine, and right now it doesn't want to work anymore. Fine. So I follow up the problem, I check everything, I check the coil, I change the spark plugs, I change many things, I can't remember what is it. I pay a lot of money on checking, on searching, on trying, on all that thing. So I find out this harness, which is belong only to the car, does not belong to the engine, which is the same engine. This one is Siemens, that one is Siemens, the engine is Siemens also, and the old one was also Siemens. So it's the same engine, supposedly, but this harness is not working on this one. For some reason, I find out that some of the cables for the crank position sensor is already fucked up. So we fix it already and we connect it like relating to the diagram in internet, and it's also still don't wanna work. So I'm gonna show you right now. I mean, look at this harness. It's really very nice. There is no problem in it whatsoever. I opened this one and I opened that one also. There is no problem in it. Everything here seems fine. The ES or the EWS was already on bin number 7. So if you look inside this one, you will find number 7, which is responsible anti-theft the car, or someone like prevent someone stealing your car or something like this. So this is number 7. Someone cut it, which is, I don't find it the best way to do it, but someone did it. And the harness I borrow from someone until I find out if I want to go with that one or I go with this one. I mean, look at it. It's really was like suffering so much, and see how much cables is disconnected from it. It looks really like filthy, and I mean, how should this one work already? I mean, look. I don't know what's happened here, but yeah, for some reason this harness is working already, and that one, which is really clean, and I wanna call it belong to the car, is not working. So I don't know right now actually, should I go with this one or that one? Should I bring the original harness which is belong to the motor, or the harness which is belong to the car? I'm not sure of this, but yeah. So this is right now my problem. So if someone can help me in the comments, I would be really appreciated. I'm really sorry, I apologize for the noisy outside, but my garage is directly off the main street. So this is pretty much until now everything. This car is imported from Japan. As you see, it's a very nice stickers when it's written in Japanese language, which I really like. Also, it was written here on the speedometer, which is really cool. So I didn't dive inside to see where is everything goes here. Of course I know where it goes, but it seems to be there is many things is not connected, or it was prepared for something else. I mean, for heated seed or whatever. What is it? Um, this is not the original leather, but it's, yeah, it was fixed with this color. I think it's very nice with the blue. It's not that nice leather, like nice leather, but it's still no damage in it, which is really nice. I got here 17 PBS, and I'm running on it for now. I know it's a little bit big or high or what do you call it, but right now I'm running on it 215 50 R17, which is just to move the car from here to the electric shop or to the mechanic shop. Until now the car didn't visit any workshop. I'm just only me by myself working on it. The paint job, this is the etch primer, the second time etch primer, because I want to make sure the body is gonna be a really very nice straight body. This is the color which is gonna be outside the car, maybe a little bit darker, which is the C1K. Search it on internet, you will find it came on the M6 competition 2023, and on the M5 the 2022 or 2023. It's a very nice color, I like it, and I want to have it on my E36. So there is still a little bit chop here, and just working on this area. That one also, because I'm gonna put the battery from the front. I'm gonna bring it back here. Actually, it wasn't designed to put the battery here, so I'm trying to make really a very base here to make the battery setting in a very nice way. I still need to buy the rear headlight, because this one, as you see, it's broken, and from the back side it's there's nothing in it. So I'm not the guy who's just trying to make it light in anyway. I like it plug with a plug, everything is fine. The bush headlight, I modified it. Let me turn this off so you can see it. I modified it to be blue from the lens to match the car actually. I think you can see it. And the angel eyes, I put it only in the middle. I hope you can see it. Yeah, so the lens is gonna be blue in the daylight, and I hope in the night also, because it's really nice. So right now I'm still also trying to clean, and as you see that I have a small detailing shop in the beginning of detailing shop. Shout out to Palestine, Free Palestine. Still figuring out if I find like this one for the mirror control. I'm gonna clean this one also. Clean. Bring back the original harness for the speaker, because I'm not going to run any aftermarket speaker or something. I want it to be BMW speakers, which is a little bit hard to find here, but I'm still buying things which I like actually. So buying things, only BMW. I got this. This is the one that I'm having is missing.